Welcome to Business Mind, Mastering Business Development. My name is Sobair and I would like to welcome you to this online seminar series. Nowadays, everyone talks about business development, which is a proof for successful entrepreneurial activity. Achieving business growth is for everyone important in an entrepreneurial environment. But how do I actually achieve business growth? I'm assuming that you yourself are in a position in which business growth is important, and that is why you want to deal with business development. Or you're planning on entering a business development position, be it a product, software and service, sales or marketing position. In all these cases, this course is just right for you. In this course, I would like to show business development beginners, as well as those who have already gained experience with business development, what professional business development is, how good business development works, and what the most important growth levers are with which you can master business development in practice. I've compiled the content of this course from my experience in business development roles, as well as from knowledge that has been added over and over again, which enabled me to achieve constant growth for years in my business areas. I would like to share this knowledge with you in this course so that you can broaden your horizons accordingly and know and apply all growth levers from the different perspectives of business development. At the beginning, I will briefly introduce myself and explain my background. Then we'll go straight to the core content with which you will learn to master business development. This is the aim of this course, to provide you with broad and profound, but also practical knowledge that will enable you to scale up business areas or companies in a real context. Enough of words. Let's start right away. I wish you a lot of fun and inspiration in the course Business Mind, Mastering Business Development. Thank you and see you soon.
Let me start with a brief introduction of myself. My name is Sobair Barak. From an academic background, I completed my master's degree in engineering and management and continued my education at Harvard Business School. Professionally, I had the opportunity to gain various business and management experiences, such as software and service management, product management and marketing, B2B sales and business development, and quality management and engineering. Of course, I am still working in a management role where I use business development on a daily basis and constantly reflect on which growth levers are working well and which ones I still need to add to. In the respective functions, I was allowed to get to know business development from the different perspectives, which I share with you in this online seminar. In the course of this online seminar series, you will feel that there are various levers for scaling up business fields that can be used depending on the situation. I would like to show you these and explain the connections between the different levers. I am sure that the knowledge you will receive will be extremely useful for you and will broaden your horizons. Let's move on to the content of the online seminar series. At the beginning, I would like to find an explanation and definition for the term business development. Likewise, I will explain the profession of a business development manager. In order not to go too deep into the theory, we already go into the core content of business development, the different perspectives. These are characterized by the product, sales, and marketing perspectives. In the particular business development perspectives, the focus is clearly on the growth levers that can be found in the various perspectives and are useful to you in the implementation of business development. In order to bring together the various growth levers from the three perspectives with an existing or new business model in a structured way, I would like to conclude by discussing the business model canvas. The explicit objective here is to prepare practical implementation in a goal-oriented manner. This is important to ensure the transfer from theory to practice. It is important to me that in the course of this online seminar series, you have the opportunity to reflect and consolidate what you have learned. I would like to give you this opportunity right at the beginning with the first exercise by asking you the following question. What do you understand by the term business development? Or what do you imagine business development to be? When answering this question, think about what the tasks of a business development manager include. All exercises of this online seminar series are attached accordingly. You're welcome to use the respective forms for processing. I wish you a lot of fun while reflecting and mastering this first task.